friends, welcome to Lakshmiya. Today let's see how to make a beautiful, super easy fridge magnet. These beautiful handmade, super easy clay magnets would make an ideal home decor too. So friends, let's go ahead and take a look on how to make our very own fridge magnets. Friends, let's start our food magnets by taking the air dry clay. Here is the resin and hardener. Let's mix these two together in equal portion into a smooth dough. Sprinkle a little talcum powder and flatten it uniformly as shown. Taking a bowl, place the dough on the base of the bowl to take the shape of the rim edge, and this we are going to use as the plate. Cut the extra shape out using a paper knife. Apply a little oil or face cream on the bowl so that the dough can be easily removed after drying. Shape the edges too in a uniform line using talcum powder and keep it aside for drying completely. Once dry, we will get our plate ready. Now let's take two portions same as a pea size, flatten it and shape it on a flat surface of a pen top. Shape the edges as shown. This will become our small bowls for sambar and chutney. Now let's roll the clay into a 2-inch circle and cut the shape of the leaf out. Also shape the veins on it with the help of toothpick as shown. Again, let's roll out a 2-inch oval circle. Place a small round of clay and roll it around. This makes our dosa. Now let's prepare the pav for pav bhaji. For that, let's take a small portion of the clay and flatten it. Add another such flat shape to make the pav. To make the donut, take a small portion of the clay and pierce it with toothpick as shown. make the noodles, roll out thin strips of the clay as shown. Wind it around the toothpick and let it dry on the toothpick itself. Here we are ready with all the shapes required for our article. We need 4 plates, 4 donuts, 2 pav, 1 dosa, 2 leaves and noodle shapes. For some very small shapes, we will add color to the clay and then prepare shapes from it. Here we are adding green color to the clay, adding some powder and some cream together while kneading. From this green colored clay, let's prepare some green peas and curry leaves. Similarly, we have to prepare mustard seeds and carrot pieces with black and orange color. Here all our shapes have dried. Let's give a base coat with white acrylic paint. Now let's assemble it together into a food plate as shown. First, let's prepare the noodle plate by adding a small portion of clay on the plate, add glue over it and arrange the noodle shapes over it as shown. Color the dosa with a light cream shade using burnt sienna and white color. Also color the pav and donuts too with the same shade. Make light circles on the dosa using burnt sienna. Paint the pav and bowls too using burnt sienna. Color the plates red and leaves with light green and dark green. Color the noodles with yellow. Now let's assemble the pav bhaji, dosa and donut food plates as shown. Add a little portion of clay on the bowls to fill it and cover it with sambar and chutney with yellow color and burnt sienna color for the sambar and white color for the chutney. Add veggies, curry leaves and mustard seeds on it as shown. Add some veggies on the noodles too. Add burnt sienna, yellow, red plus glue for the bhaji as shown. Add the veggies on the bhaji too. Add color on the donuts and decorate it with black color dots. Here our food plates are ready. Let's keep it aside to dry. Once dried, apply a coat of varnish over it. Stick the magnet at the back to use it as a fridge magnet. Friends, hope you liked the video. Do like, share and subscribe.